But wait. And we are going with so much tree. Hey, I have to go to work. I'm late. Hey, are we a tree company name? Trees from Tyrone. Tyrone! I have to go to work, Tyrone. Stop arguing with the conductor. Nobody's hating on you. People are late. I want to go on with that man your hand. Jesus Christ. Listen. I'm on the wrong train. Oh, God. What is going on? I'm going to be late. I just started. Jesus. Oh, my God. Me don't know what kind of train me there on. I don't even know what's going on. First I see tree, then me see hand. Me don't know what. God take me off of that hurt ya. God be late. I forgot work. Tyrone! Go wash your tree company. Hurry up. Him finish? Jesus, finally. Pull off, conductor. No argue with him. We're late. Jesus Christ. Go wash your tree company. Tyrone.